In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up or create a Redbubble artist account. If you are an artist, graphic designer, illustrator, or someone interested in selling creative work online, Redbubble is a great platform to get started. It allows independent creators to upload artwork and sell it on a wide range of products, such as t-shirts, stickers, mugs, phone cases, posters, and more. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating your Redbubble artist account so you can start building your online store and sharing your designs with people around the world. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Redbubble website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign Up button. This will open the registration page where you can create your account. Next, choose the option to join as an artist or creator. Redbubble may provide different account options, so make sure you select the Artist Account Setup to access selling features and portfolio tools. After that, you will be asked to enter some basic account information. This usually includes your email address, a username for your shop, and a secure password. Choose a username carefully because it becomes part of your shop identity and profile link on Redbubble. Try to select something professional, memorable, and connected to your artwork or brand. Once you have entered your details, continue with the registration process and complete any required verification steps. In some cases, Redbubble may send a confirmation message to your email address. Open your email inbox, locate the confirmation message, and verify your account if needed. After your account is activated, sign in to your new Redbubble profile. You can now begin setting up your artist page by adding a profile picture, cover image, and short bio to introduce yourself to potential customers. A complete profile helps your shop appear more trustworthy and professional. You can also explore your dashboard, portfolio section, and upload area to become familiar with the platform. This is where you will eventually upload your artwork, manage products, and customize your shop listings. It is important to remember that creating a strong and organized profile can help make a better first impression on visitors. Take your time choosing your branding elements and make sure your account information is accurate before you begin uploading designs. And that's how you can sign up and create your Redbubble artist account in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.